Hi, welcome. Today we are in La Mairena, in Ojel. It is more or less driving inland from Heredia, which is Marbella East. It is a perfect way to discover what can be called countryside aspect of Costa del Sol, as we are inland surrounded by these lovely and beautiful mountains. Today we are in Urbanización Monte Alto. We have a lovely property that is composed of 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. It has its own little private garden with barbecue. You have a private parking spot. The urbanization, as you can see around me, has a lot of green areas, flowers, trees. You have this huge community swimming pool, and even from the property you will have breathtaking view over the Costa del Sol itself. So you want to spend some great time with your family, some friends, and you have a lot of golf courses around. Follow us and let us show you to the property we have in Monte. So, what did you think about this lovely property we have here in La Mairena? A very interesting way to discover something completely new from Costa del Sol. You'll be surrounded by this lovely mountain, and you will even have breathtaking view on the Costa del Sol itself. So you want to spend some high quality time with your friends, with family, you want to be next to some of the best golf courses you have around. Call us, reach us, and I'm sure we'll have a little spot for you for your next holiday. So, see you soon!